How is everyone doing? Just wanted to do the 1 minute Bible again. So that's what I'm about to do. I like to record things in advance. So today we're doing the Sermon on the Mount, judging and asking for May 30th. Do not judge so that you won't be judged, for with judgment you use, you will be judged, and with the measure you use, it will be measured to you. Why do you look at the speck in your brother's eye, but don't notice the log in your own eye? Or how you can say to your brother, let me take the speck out of your eye, and look, there's a log in your eye. Hypocrite, first take the log out of your eye, and then you will see clearly to take the speck out of your brother's eye. Don't give what is holy to dogs, or toss your pearls before pigs, or they will trample them with their feet, turn and tear you to pieces. Keep asking, and it will be given to you. Keep searching, and you will find. Keep knocking, and the door will be open for you. For everyone who asks receives, and the one who searches finds, and to the one who knocks the door will be opened. What man among you, if his son asks him for bread, will give him a stone? Or if he asks for a fish, will give him a snake? If you then, who are evil, know how to give food or good gifts to your children, how much more will your Father in heaven give good things to those who ask him? Therefore, whatever you want others to do for you, do also the same for them. This is the law and the prophets. That comes from Matthew chapter 7, verse 1 through 12. The related texts are John chapter 16, verse 24, Romans chapter 14, verse 1 through 13, 1 Corinthians chapter 5, James chapter 4, verse 1 through 3, 1 John chapter 3, verse 21 and 22. Now, weird or what? The word hypocrite means to act out the part of a character in a play. In ancient times, actors covered their faces with masks, representing the characters they were playing. Today, a hypocrite is known as one who covers or hides his real self and acts out as a different person. This person would be referred to as a fake. And speaking of fakes, I hope I'm being transparent. I hope I'm not being a hypocrite myself. I want to walk and do what I say. Actions speak louder than words. Anyone who always fool an audience, but God isn't fooled. Anyone can always fool an audience, but God isn't fooled. God wrote the ultimate script, created the characters, as well as knows everything about the play. God created you just as he wants you to be. If you were wearing a mask, and we all pretty much, or most people do wear masks nowadays, which is fine. Consider asking God for the courage to take it off. You'll enjoy life a lot better when you show the real you. And I am always at least for me, I'm praying that I am the person that is showing proper action instead of looking like a fake. That's the last thing I want to do, is be portrayed as a fake. I understand that, there's a lot of fakes out there. There's a lot of scam artists out there. And going back to the mask analogy, we all do wear face masks nowadays. Well, it depends what part of the world you're in, how you feel about masks. If it makes you comfortable, and makes you comfortable. If anything, hopefully we can get away from the face masks. I don't even hardly wear mine unless I absolutely have to. And I'm taking it day by day. I'm still going to do the Bible series. I hope I'm not burning anyone out. If you made it this far, if you enjoyed the Bible reading amongst any of my other content, please hit the like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know what I need to tweak, what I need to improve on. Because self-improvement, to me, is a need be. I don't want anything other than to help others, smile, and enjoy life. Stay inspired. Stay calm. Stay stress-free. I hope everybody had a great Memorial Day weekend. I understand a lot of people had 3-day weekends. Generally, being in the military, you do get your Saturday, Sunday, and Monday off. And that's as long as you're not deployed. Other than that, then if you're overseas and deployed in one part of the world, such as Iraq or Afghanistan, and we're not in Iraq anymore. I think, I have to double check my facts, but I think we have way less troops in Afghanistan now. But it's generally true. The federal government has a 3-day weekend, so just wanted to put that out there. I hope and pray that all our service members, whether you're served, or serving, about to serve, if you're a police officer, thank you. And the Army, Navy, Marines, the Space Corps, the Space Army, I believe that's what it's called. What am I missing? Coast Guard, Marines. I think I named all the branches. But anyways, the firefighters, the doctors, nurses, just thank you. Grocery workers, thank you. So on this note, I'm going to go ahead and end this. And I will be producing more content soon. Take care.